Now watch me rise, rise, rise up. Like the breaking day. Yeah, this is where I belong. Now watch me rise. Now watch me rise.
Good morning, everyone! Grabe. Nakaka-overwhelm. Palakpakan natin ang lahat. Alam ko excited na kayo para sa ating mga announcement at alam ko kanina pa kayo nag-aantay. But before I start, I would like to take this opportunity. First, pasalamat muna tayo sa nasa taas. Palakpakan natin siya. This would not be possible without him. Second, I would like to thank Supremacy International's team because of their tireless effort to make this event possible. Palakpakan natin lahat ng staff na nandito ngayon. Together with the team of VP Rafi and VP Natso, palakpakan natin sila lahat. And guys, lastly, on behalf of the BODs, we would like to thank everyone for choosing to be here. In spite of the recent weather, yung iba, alam ko, nanggaling pa sa malalayo. We have teams from Isabela, Palawan, Visayas, Cebu, Mindanao. Also, our international distributors, bumaba sila ngayon, Team Hong Kong, Singapore. Palakpakan nyo yung sarili nyo. Guys, this only proves that there is no amount of storm, no amount of flood, no distance can stop you and your burning desire. And tonight, we will further ignite that fire as Supremacy International brings you this wonderful news. What's new this 2024? Are you ready? Siyempre, unahin natin. Ready na kayo? So, unahin natin ang ating Supremacy franchise. And as promised, guys, we kept on improving. And we will keep on improving as the years go by. So, let me formally present to you our new distributor franchise dashboard. So guys, we made this seamless and user-friendly. Here you could see our new dashboard. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas magiging madali to para sa ating mga franchisee. Nasa left side lahat ng concepts. Okay, and then your orders or the raw materials will be on the right side. We added a search bar for your convenience, for you to search the item. Next slide. This would be the product description. Here in the product description, we will include every detail. Lahat ng description ng products, the weight, the packaging, and as well as how to store the products para hindi na nagtatanaw. Okay, next, this would be your cart. So as you add to cart, dito makikita lahat yan. Okay, next would be, pinaganda namin, the uploading of the proof of payment would be visible. Okay, and then, makikita mo na rin yung transaction history mo. Okay, next. Medyo malabo. But here you will see all your transaction history. Siyempre, kung may in-improve tayo, meron din tayong mga dinagdag. Are you ready? Okay, so this is an inventory system for the franchisee. So, mamamonitor na nila kung ilan pa yung stocks ng raw materials nila. And guys, alam ko, napapagod na rin kayo. Okay? Kakakulit at kakahanap ng mga training videos and marketing collaterals. Because next, we have included inside the dashboard our training videos and all the manuals that you will be needing. One more thing na alam kong naging problem for our franchise agents as well is where to put your clients' physical stores. So tonight, in our new dashboard. We will be giving you the access, the opportunity, as we have already put in our store locator.
The trumpets blow.
So here in this new dashboard, you will be able to predetermine kung available pa ba yung area para sa franchise mo. And syempre kung merong for the agents, meron din kaming dinagdag again for the franchisees. Next, they will have their own POS system inside their dashboard. And the good news about this is connected to their inventory system. As they are selling the finished goods, it would be deducted part by part dun sa inventory ng products nila. Are you excited? Okay. Siyempre, we will keep on improving. Hindi pa tapos yan. Okay? This would be our mobile view para pakita nyo. Okay? So, it is accessible now on the mobile phones. And lastly, siyempre, we will have later on, we are developing it right now, we will have a POS application. Excited na ba kayo sa franchise? Kami din. We made it easier not just for you, but to all our franchisees as well. So palakpakan natin ang Supremacy International, guys. Sobrang galing. Siyempre, hindi tayo nagtatapos dyan. Because tonight, we will be introducing to you new menus and new flavors for our existing franchise. Please watch this, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather round and let's give this a whirl. Supremacy Franchise is turning up the heat with our newest concepts and a menu that can't be beat for 2024. Hold on to your hats because we're about to soar. Next up, from KX's Nest, Chicken Pesto and Chicken Katsu. Simply the best. Bite into please, flavors that twist. Every mouthful is something you've missed. For the chicken lovers, we have a delight. Honam's Chicken Poppers. Crispy bites, perfectly seasoned. Oh, so nice. One taste and you'll be hooked for life. Feeling thirsty? We've got the cure. Coty's new flavors, fresh and pure. Choco Malt Milk Tea, Taro Dream, and Thai Milk Tea that makes you beam. Now for the coffee aficionados. Sip Up Coffee is the place to go. Hot brews like caramel macchiato, French vanilla, and mocha too. Sip Up Brew and Espanol just for you. Need it cold? Our fraps are gold. Java Chip, salted caramel, dark choco bold, cookies and cream, and ube untold.
New flavor! Grabe, no? Alam ko marami nag-aantay niyan, especially the hot brews of Sip Up Coffee. Siyempre, hindi lang hot brews nilabas namin, we added frap as well. Alright? Again, tonight, hindi pa tayo tapos. Sunod-sunod lang to. It is my honor to proudly relaunch a new and improved concept that's already existing. So now you will see the new and improved Supreme Slice Pizza.
What's better than a slice of heaven? Supreme Slice Pizza. Now ×2. Buy one, take one. Share with your crew or keep it all. It's up to you.
So we will have a new concept, Supreme Slice Pizza. Okay. Siyempre, kung may mga in-improve, meron tayong bago. And meron na naman tayong ilalabas na sigurado ako papatok na naman sa market natin. Excited na kayo? Siyempre guys, kung merong Supreme Slice Pizza, And alam ko yung iba sa inyo, natikman na to kanina. So introducing our Supreme Burger!
Introducing the burger that's leading the gang, the Supreme Burger. It's here to stay. Buy one, take one. Hip hip hooray! Juicy and tasty, a double delight. Get two for the price of one. What a sight!
Excited kayo sa bagong concept natin? Grabe, kaka-launch lang natin ng Sip Up Coffee and ilang buwan pa lang sobrang putok na. Right now, sigurado ako, mas magkiklik din to sa market. Because guys, we have you to market this one. Excited na kayo? Hindi ka mauubusan ng bago kay Supremacy International. Next, syempre, okay. As part of our expansion, can you show the next slide, please? Okay. So we will be expanding in Cebu. You all know we have an existing commissary in Cebu right now. Tama? Okay. So syempre, mas pinaganda namin because in Cebu, all concepts will now be available to market. One of our struggles, again, is the cost of the shipping and the logistics. Right now, we lower down the rate para mas maging madali, and the supplies would be consistent. So we have a new system. Okay? So again, guys, be ready to market kasi mas lalaki pa ang reach ng pwede nating i-market ng franchise. And lastly, for our Supremacy franchise, as our gift to you tonight for celebrating our 5th year anniversary, dito magagulat kayo because we will be giving you not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9. But we will give you 10 in one. Welcome back, Aling Sing! May cashier po sa likod pa. Now, kidding aside, okay, so next, syempre, tapos na tayo sa franchise. Kung may incentive ng franchise, excited ka? Syempre, actually, itong program na to, hindi na kailangan ng incentives kasi sobrang dali niyang gawin. Tama ba? But again, since the BODs are very generous, you will have an incentive for the Supremacy Motorcycle Program. So introducing our Supreme Bike Incentive. This incentive would run for 1 year. Magaling ba? For further mechanics, please ask your upline later on. Okay. Siyempre, next, kung meron tayong franchise, meron motorcycle program, siyempre, hindi mawawala ng incentive ang ating Supremacy Enterprise. So, for you guys that are using our e-commerce platform, for you guys doing direct selling, we will have an incentive for you. We call this the Supreme Product Movers. Wherein, discuss ko wherein if you gathered a sale of 500,000 in 1 year time, we will give you 100,000 cashback. Grabe, no? Binigay na lahat. May natira pa ba? Alright, guys. Siyempre, tapos na tayo sa tatlo. Paano naman ang mga leaders and networkers? Kanina, nag-award tayo ng travel incentive natin. Saan tayo pupunta this year? South Korea. In 2025, Supremacy International will be going to ready na kayo? But again, syempre, hindi kami nakontento sa isa. Because 2025, we are not just going to one international. We'll be going to two. International travels. Grabe, excited na kayo? Let's move on to our next announcement. You want more? Siyempre, kung meron tayong big bike incentive, hindi tayo mawawalan ng... You're right. So please watch this video. Grabe, ang daming video. Please welcome. Next, our race to success. So again, like the big bike incentive, this would run for 1 year. And the advantage will not just be giving you down payments, because there would be a sales match for the monthly amortization. Excited? Next. Dahil continuous na nagbo-boom ang ating franchise, we redesigned our business center dine-in office. Okay, this is the 1 million center, now including the dine-in office. Anong inclusions? You will get 1 million worth of Supremacy products, plus you would get, next, all of the franchise equipments, inclusions, as well as the freezers, signage, and initial inventory. Whew. Palakpakan natin si Supremacy International! Grabe. Kahit kami nabaliw at na-shock sa mga pinagkagagawa namin. Excited pa kayo? With all of this, guys, I sure and I firmly believe that we would be stronger than ever. Etong taon na to ang magmamarka sa atin sa industriya. Because right now, Supremacy International is one of the top companies that is existing. Not just a top company, but a very credible, very bright future. And sobrang ganda ng culture and sistema na nagawa natin sa kumpanya na to. So palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. And nakakatuwa kasi it's always a privilege and an honor para awardan yung mga top performers, yung mga awardees, yung mga achievers na kanina pa umaakyat dito sa stage. It brings me so much joy kasi we've witnessed them from when they started into who they are right now. Grabe yung naging growth. Grabe yung naging success. And maybe this is the mission of Supremacy International. To bring everyone to that success. So let me tell you this, guys. Success is for everyone. Hindi importanteng nauna ka o nahuli ka. Hindi importanteng magaling ka o hindi. Everyone deserves success. And you now have Supremacy International as your vehicle to reach that success. And we are celebrating our 5th anniversary. Pero hindi tayo dito natatapos. Together with the BODs, we have committed ourselves. Hindi kami matatapos hanggat may isa sa inyo na hindi pa nagiging successful. Hanggat may isa sa inyo na hindi pa nagbabago ang buhay. Supremacy International will not stop hanggat hindi ikaw ang nakatayo at ina-awardan sa stage na to. At darating yung point, yung kwento naman ng buhay mo ang pinapalakpakan at pinapakinggan ng maraming tao. And you know the best part? Pagtayo mo dito sa harap, I know all of the top performers na experience to kanina. Pagtayo mo dito, pagkuha mo ng award, lahat ng hirap, lahat ng sacrifices, lahat ng rejections, lahat ng gutom, pagod, pawis, isa lang ang maiisip mo. Buti na lang. Buti na lang nagtiwala ako. Buti na lang nagstay ako. Buti na lang merong Supremacy International. Grabe. And guys, we will not stop until we bring you to the true luxury, to the true quality of life. And that is what we call the Supreme Life. So, to all of our guests, sa mga bisita natin ngayon, I would like to officially welcome you to Supremacy International. Kahit hindi ka pa member, simply because you being here, you witnessing this event is a sign and the start ng pagbabago ng buhay mo. At hindi importante kung ngayon ka lang sasali ng 5 years. Remember this, you will get the same opportunity. You will get the same system na ginawa at ginamit ng mga leaders natin. Actually, you would get a better opportunity simply because you now have top performers. You now have car achievers. You now have quality leaders. Together with the whole management of Supremacy, together with the BOD, together with the whole Supremacy International, if you choose to join us, we will be guiding you every step of the way. And tonight, palakpakan natin lahat ng nandito ngayon. Welcome to Supremacy International. And guys, it has always been my tradition to close every event with a different version of our tagline. Tama ba? Nakapansin niyo? But tonight is a very special night because we are celebrating our 5th anniversary. And I want each and every one of you to be part of this. I want each and every one of you to please join me in saying these 4 words. Ready kayo? So I would like to request everyone to please stand. Join me as we savor this moment. Gusto ko isigaw mo nang galing sa puso etong 4 na salita na to. Are you ready? On my cue, guys. When I say all together, sabay-sabay tayo. Okay ba yun? Again, when I say all together, sabay-sabay tayo. Tonight, we have ignited your burning desires. Tonight, we have ignited your future. Tonight, we will ignite the start of your supreme life. All together, Supremacy International, we will reign supreme!